That is the terror infrastructure which is there on the other side of the LC, the terrorist camps, the terrorists. That continues. And therefore there can be no slackening as far as we are concerned in our levels of preparedness or alertness. As far as the other question you asked regarding trust, trust is a very difficult thing to come by and it takes a very long time to develop. And there have been decades of mistrust between Pakistan and India, and obviously the situation on that score cannot change overnight. However, if the ceasefire continues, if we continue to observe the ceasefire in letter and spirit, if they stop and desist from trying to push terrorists across and foment trouble in India, then all these small steps will definitely go incrementally to build up that level of trust between the two countries. That although the ceasefire is in place, we cannot in any way reduce our levels of alertness and preparedness. We have a counter-infiltration grid to prevent any movement from across the line of control. All these deployments are dynamic and they depend on the situation and the threat perception. So from time to time, we do keep reviewing these deployments, and if we feel that the situation permits, then definitely we do take recourse to pulling out some troops from active deployment to the rear areas so that they also get time for rest and relief. In this overall gamut, the role of the army is to bring down the levels of violence to an extent where the civil administration and the local security forces can then play the role that they have to play in the development of the region and of course of JNK.